child immediately made a voice and shouted. The kitten quickly ran in the direction of the sound, but her vision could only see what was in front of her. It almost hit the grove on the side, but it was already able to see the colorful world, and soon stumbled to find the location of the mother cat, and the mother and son were finally reunited. This was the first time the kitten saw the mother's appearance, and excitedly circled back and forth around the mother. And the mother cat also kept licking the child. Seeing the child return healthy, the big stone in the mother cat's heart was finally put down, and this time the kitten was finally able to find the food accurately and ate it with relish. The mother cat is quietly guarding it on the side. Seeing this scene, the kind brother said that he will take good care of them in the future. And at the same time, he called on everyone to take care of them for a lifetime if you choose to have pets. They are a precious life, worthy of respect from each of us. If you are not ready, then please do not raise them at will, because they may suffer unimaginable harm after being abandoned by you.